Hey everybody, Going Youper here. Going to be testing some ammo out in my P22 Walther. I'm going to be using the Winchester bulk pack 555 at 1280 FPS, CCI Mini Mag at 1235 FPS, and Federal Champion at 1240 FPS. This will be 7 yards, just like my first unboxing video of this firearm, and I have not cleaned it. I've put over 3,500 rounds through it. Let's see how it does. Okay, we're out here at my pistol range. I'll be shooting the Winchester first, I'll move on to the Mini Mags, and I'll finally end up shooting the Federal Champion. That's how we do after 3,500 rounds without cleaning my Walther P22. Let's give it a try. This will be at 7 yards. One failure to feed so far with the Winchester. Two failure to feeds with the Winchester. Alright, I had two failure to feeds. I will say that the Winchester bulk pack 555 are loose bullets inside the box, and I am at the bottom of the box, so I would imagine they're a little bit dirty. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the CCI Mini Mags. Alright, no failure to feeds, no stovepipes. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up with the Federal Champion. Alright, there we have it. So, with your dirtier ammo, she can jam up on you. I didn't have any stovepipes. I did have two failure to feeds, but with the CCI Mini Mag and the Federal Champion, no problems at all. Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Take care, everybody.